In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a free website with GoDaddy. The journey to creating an amazing website doesn't have to be intimidating. In fact, it can be quite straightforward. Let's dive right into the steps you'll need to follow, ensuring you get your site up and running in no time. First, you'll want to navigate to the GoDaddy website. Once you're there, the next step is to either sign in if you already have an account or create a new account if you don't. This is a crucial step because it will give you access to their array of web building tools. If you're creating an account, make sure your password is strong and your email is one you frequently check, as these are important for account recovery and verification. After logging in, search for the Start for Free option and select it. This will direct you to the GoDaddy website builder, which is designed to offer a seamless experience for beginners and seasoned developers alike. It's here that you'll be prompted to choose a category for your website. This step is important because selecting the appropriate category helps tailor your site to fit your needs. It could be anything from a personal blog to a business site. If you're unsure, you can choose a broad category such as something else. Once you've made your choice, click Continue. You will then need to further specify the category that closely describes your website. Be precise in this step, as it will influence the templates and features GoDaddy suggests for your site. For instance, if you're setting up a personal blog, you should indicate that here. Moving forward, you're going to enter a name for your website. This name is essentially how your audience will identify your site, so make it catchy and relevant to your content. After that, click Continue once again. The next few steps involve entering your contact information and providing more detail about your business or website, while adding more details about your business is optional. Including your contact info is essential, as it might facilitate customer interaction. Make sure everything is accurate before clicking Continue. After these preliminary steps, you'll be invited to click on Continue for free. This is your go-ahead to start customizing your site. Here you can add various pages and sections that make up the skeleton of your website. Creativity is key, so think of what structure would best serve your website's purpose. Once you have your basic layout, select Continue to My Site. This will take you to the main editing panel. Use the right panel to further customize your website, exploring themes, fonts, and colors that reflect your brand's personality. The final stretch involves publishing your site by clicking the Publish button. This will make your website live. Lastly, don't forget to click on View Site to marvel at your work or make any necessary tweaks. And there you have it. You've just learned how to create a free website using GoDaddy. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to showcasing your corner of the internet to the world. Happy building!